We are laser focused on one thing, solving problems for athletes. And we know that the best way to solve our athletes' problems is to offer them personal solutions. That means products, services, experiences, all designed to speak to their exact needs on and off the court. Now, this digital transformation at Nike is not about technology for technology's sake. We're always focused on making sports simpler, more rewarding, and frankly, more fun for athletes. Today, we're launching a new platform called Nike Adapt. The Nike Adapt platform will deliver digitally powered adjustable footwear across both performance and lifestyle. And of course, this product's going to be exceptionally designed like the world expects from Nike. I'm happy to introduce the Nike Adapt BB, a revolutionary basketball shoe and digital platform that can remember how tight or loose you prefer your shoes. And not just in one setting, but in different situations. Are you warming up? Is it the heat of the game? Are you subbed out on the bench? Are you cooling down? It delivers the precise fit you need when you need it with the push of a button or the swipe of a phone. The FitAdapt smart lacing system evolves beyond the HyperAdapt to now match the seamless tech found in smartphones.
When you first tried them on, what was your reaction?
I was excited, just to hear about the technology behind the shoe, and I just thought it would be cool to be a part of something special like this.
When you did actually get to play in them, what was one thing that really stood out to you?
I didn't think about the shoe, and I think that's what you want. When you're on the court, you just want to focus on the game, and obviously they felt great, but I wasn't worried about them. So that was big for me, that I could just focus on the game, and that's what it's supposed to be.
We do have some big news for everyone here. You guys don't know this, but Jason will be debuting these shoes tomorrow night during your big game against the Raptors on ESPN. That lace engine is really the brain of the shoe. How does that system work with the shoe?
So the lace engine really has two sides of the components, right? One is smartphone grade electronics, and the other is a really high performance DC motor and gear train. That DC motor allows us to pull to 140 newtons of force, which is about 32 pounds hanging off the laces of the shoe. The electronics, that's really the brains and the smarts. It allows us to be super precise about how we tune that engine and what we do for the athlete. It also allows us to sense and store data and use that to improve the performance of the product over time.
Once you pair the Nike Adapt BB shoe with the Nike Adapt app, you're able to instantly and intuitively dial in your perfect fit. You're able to adjust your preferred style with the LEDs on the side. And then going forward in the future, the app will be that bridge to the powered athlete future that Mike Donahue was talking about, where multiple intelligent devices on your body will allow us to understand your body in motion and give the athlete even greater and greater guidance and assistance.